Hello. I promised you some more information about the paper proposals. I hope that you've gotten my email and your current grade on the paper proposal that you submitted, and also that you got the attachment with my comments inside the proposal. First and foremost, let me talk about the way that I'm going to handle the paper proposal and then the paper grade in the class. If you go back to the syllabus, you see that I said your paper counts for 20% of your final grade. And I'm going to subdivide that 20% into three areas. The first is this first paper proposal. And I'm going to count that as 2.5% of the 20%. So whatever grade you received on this first round of paper proposals is going to be 2.5% of the 20% of your paper grade. The next thing I'm going to ask you to do is revise and resubmit your proposals with a little bit more detail, and I'll explain that a little bit more. I will also give you a due date for that, which is not listed on the syllabus. But I will update the syllabus to indicate this. That resubmitted proposal will be 5.5% of your paper grade, the 20% of your final grade. And then when you submit the paper, which doesn't happen, I think, until November, the final paper, the final draft of that paper will be 12.5%. So 2.5%, 5.5%, I'm sorry, the last number is 12%. 12%. That equals 20%, excuse me, of your final grade. I have already put this information on the syllabus. If you want to go back and look at it, there's underneath research paper, there's a note that indicates this division: 2.5%, 5.5%, 12%, for a total of 20% of your final grade. So the paper itself still has the same amount of weight in terms of your final grade, but we're now breaking it into a few steps.